on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going off about something that you said. She doesn't get your humans like I do. I'm in a room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I listen times of the music she doesn't like, and she'll never get your stories like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's tear-cut the man, I'm on the bleacher, dreaming like you've been when you wake up and find the put you're looking for has been here the whole time, and she can see it now. I want to understand you, been around. I want to, why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. You belong with me.